That's really concerning to me. What the heck is that?
Can we go in straight and level and look at the fuel gauges?
What is that? I don't know.
It's on the right side though.
Dude, it's a lot louder than that. That's pretty loud.
Clear.
Okay. 0.3, we're going to go 35, 35.3. Probably don't want to be too close to this Airbus here.
546, runway 27 left, clear for the option.
That thing freaking blasts off here. I'm just going to stop right here. Set for ground, good afternoon. Skyhawk 97650, spot 5, information Juliet, ready to taxi for a few laps in the pattern.
Nice booty.
That is nice.
Set for ground, looking through Japan, ready to pick up ISR with Juliet.
Oh god. Wave an IFR. Oh,
546 left traffic.
that's pretty cool though. You wave high at you? Yeah, you wave.
544 kilo 1 kilo Ram.
That's cool. Oh man, look how small they are. Wow, look how shiny that.
57650, runway 27 center, intersection Romeo. Departure taxi Kilo Bravo Romeo behind Airbus on Charlie.
Kilo Bravo Romeo to 27 center at Romeo behind the Airbus 650. I want to see what this guy's going to do here first.
Alright, you are clear right.
Okay, clear center, clear left. Kilo
338, new departure frequency.
Kilo Bravo Romeo. Point this way a bit so I can see the final.
Number 97650, runway 27 center, Romeo lineup and wait.
27 center, Romeo lineup and wait 650.
Wind 310 at 8, runway 27 center, Romeo clear for takeoff, make left traffic, runway 27 left.
27 center, cleared for takeoff. We're going to make left traffic for 27 left, 650.
Thank you.
Okay, there we go.
327, runway 27 center, Romeo lineup and wait.
Get us up in the ground effect here, there we are. Accelerate to VX, which is 60 knots. Give me a sec.
Turkey 327, fly runway heading, runway 27 center, Romeo clear.
Okay, there's flaps coming up, and I'm going to climb out at 76.
Turkey 4.
Alright, no one's on final. Okay, flaps coming into 20. So what are you aiming for? I'm going to try to touch down on the 1,000 footers, is my goal. Gotta get my airspeed under control here because we're really fast. Got it. 75 right now. I want to be at 65 on final, and then I want to be at 53 over the numbers. Okay, there's about 55, that's close enough. Nose up, nose up, nose up, nose up. Okay, good enough. And Tower Skyhawk 650, request short approach for these next 2 laps in the pattern.
Expect, you can expect short approach.
Clear below us here.
540.
To go beam the touchdown point, which is the 1,000 footers. Go carb heat on, power idle.
540. Lucky 540.
Hold the
Fly
nose
direct
up.
to a left base.
10 degrees of
Runway
flaps
27
and
left.
pitch for 75.
Expect runway
Perfect.
27 center.
5, 6. There, that's about a 6 count. We'll start turning it in. And I want to be on
Lucky
or
460.
plus
Turn left heading 260.
200. Look at that, 200 feet of the 1,000 footers. I cannot land short. That's a failure.
Oh, really?
Yep.
That makes sense, actually.
We're plenty fast. A little bit of porpoising there, that wasn't good.
That's alright.
Okay, I'm gonna try that again. I was too fast. I was too fast. That was the problem on that one.
Yeah, it's no big deal. You'll do it better next time.
9.4, squawk 1651.
I don't know if that was 200 feet or not.
2199, read back is correct.
Oh, really?
Number 650, contact on departure 119.4.
194650, good day.
Good.
And departure, Skyhawk 97650 off of Sanford 1500, heading 310.
November 97650, land of departure, radar contact, maintain 2000 VFR.
Maintain 2000 VFR 650. Orange City practice area, red and white Skyhawk, 2 miles east of the Orange City antennas, 2500 Chandelles going out. So we're gonna roll into a 30-degree bank to the right, and I'm gonna go full power and pitch up. Pitch up, pitch up, pitch up, pitch up. Full power, staying coordinated, staying coordinated, staying coordinated, staying coordinated. There is my 90-degree point, so I'm gonna lock in the pitch. Slowly start unrolling the bank, staying coordinated, want to be right at stall speed, right at stall speed, right at stall speed, staying coordinated. Okay, there we go, perfect. I'm going to recover, 400 feet gained, that's good, okay.
That traffic is no factor now.
Okay, here he's behind us, no factor, looking clear all around, so I'm going to go ahead and get myself into slow flight here for some power off stalls. Looks like we have a little cloud layer above us here, maybe 45 to 5,000. Okay, slow flight. Here, okay, there we go. Now I'm going to simulate a landing stall, okay? So I'm going to pitch, I'm going to be about landing RPM, 1700 RPMs. I'm going to go into a descent at 65 knots. Okay, I'm going to go carb heat on, descending at 65 knots. Right here. Right here, 5 knots, okay, right, oh wait, okay, right there, I'm going to pull power, I'm going to flare for landing, but I'm thinking about the hot ass chick in the back seat, not paying attention to it, warning, stall, recover.
Can you imagine doing that?
Yeah, okay, and I only lost 100 feet, so
that was really good.
Okay, I'm going to simultaneously pitch up, give it an imperceivable amount of bank to the left, pitch up, staying coordinated, pitching up, let that nose slice through the horizon, there we go, 45 degree point, holding that pitch, okay, there we go, right rudder on that, we're coming back on our south heading here, back to our original starting altitude, south heading, a little bit low there. Okay, accelerate back to VA, pitch up, imperceivable amount of bank to the right, pitch up, staying coordinated. We're also looking for traffic.
Yep, no traffic.
Okay, slicing through the horizon, staying coordinated. Okay, rolling that out, letting the nose fall back down.
What the heck is that?
What is that?
I don't know. It's on the right side though. Something in the baggage compartment. Really weird.
Is it?
Go back there and check. stop and all that back there?
Dude, it's a lot louder than that. That's pretty loud.
Really?
Yeah, what is that? That's really concerning to me.
Alright, I'm gonna go back there and check, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna start heading back towards the airport.
Alright.
Is it a fuel cap? Huh, I don't like that. Is there nothing?
Hello?
Yeah, what is it?
It's nothing back there. I kind of feel like it's something on the right wing.
Really?
Yeah.
Sounds like a fuel cap bouncing
Yeah,
around.
that's what I was gonna say. Did you tighten the fuel caps? 100%?
I think so.
Can we go in straight and level and look at the fuel gauges?
Oh.
You have Kilo.
I say we go to Spruce Creek, make a full stop, and
Transmission
then
Kilo, 2253 Zulu observation.
Check there.
07014, visibility 10, sky clear.
what do you think?
Temperature 19 or dew point 09.
Yeah, we could. How far away is it? It's 16 miles?
Let me check right now.
Yeah, but if we find a problem with it.
Spruce Creek is closer than Sanford, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Deland's right there. Also, if you're more comfortable just landing right now.
Yeah, maybe we should oh, yeah, dude, that's actually a good idea.
Yeah.
Okay, what is Deland?
Spruce Creek Airport, automated advisory.
23075.
0 at 4. Visibility at 18005.
23075?
Yep.
60 at 10, visibility 106,000, scattered. Temperature 17 Celsius, dew point 10, altimeter 3005.
Notice the airman. Runway 5 is the preferred runway during low wind conditions. Only full stop and taxi-back landings with 3 or more aircraft are in the traffic pattern, and no repetitive flight operations between the hours of 10 p.m. and 7 a.m. Aircraft landing runway 23, make your down one leg over the 4-lane highway. Caution. Continuous parachuting operations during daylight hours. Do not overfly the airport. Be on the lookout for aircraft utilizing the secondary runway.
Alright, I'll take comms so that you're a little less fast saturated.
I think it's that goddamn fuel cap. What does that one light mean, I wonder?
It's clearly not working. It's just blinding us. I think it's supposed to be a tricolor VASI.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, there it goes.
Yeah. butter.
In the end, we figured out that a shoulder harness was stuck outside of the door, which was funny because we specifically checked for seatbelts before closing each of our doors. This was a great learning experience and pretty funny overall. It was good practice of both CRM and diversions in real-world situations.
I'm sorry, I guess I should have checked the door more properly.
Well, now we know, I guess.
Deland traffic Skyhawk 650 taking runway 5 for a northeast departure. Deland traffic.
We hope you got a laugh out of that and enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for more content. Oh, and don't forget to check the door for seatbelts.